Here's how to fix Roblox no internet connection error. Now, if you're popping up with a message that looks like this, connection error, sorry, there's a problem reaching your servers or any other internet issue, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing when you're in the Roblox app is closing out of the app, or if you're on a computer, closing out of the web-based version, and then swiping down and toggling airplane mode on just to disconnect from your Wi-Fi and cell data, and then toggling it back off. Now, after you've done that, the next thing we're going to do is get into your settings. So open up the settings and we're going to do two different things in here. The first one is towards the bottom, we're going to tap on General. And we're going to check your date and time. Sometimes this can cause issues. Tap on date and time. And if it's turned off, set automatically is turned off, and it's set to a different date and time than it is currently, that will cause issues. So just turn on set automatically. The next thing I would recommend doing is going out of here and out of here again and tapping on General. And then iPhone storage. You're going to look for that Roblox app. Potentially there's a bug or glitch in Roblox, so just tap on it and you can offload the app and then reinstall it. This clears out all the cache and temporary files, but it force updates Roblox to the latest version as well, which is great. If you're on an Android, all you need to do is clear the cache and clear the storage. Now, if you go through all those steps, if you still open it up and it's still popping up with that error message, the last thing I would recommend doing is heading into a web browser, and you're just going to type in "is Roblox down?" Now you're going to go to Down Detector here, and this is a great resource to see if there's a huge spike in reported outages. Most likely you're getting that error message because the Roblox servers are down, and you just need to wait till they're back up and running. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.